to Style Me Up with Sakshi. I know I wasn't there for a very long time and I missed it. I missed you guys. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button. Also, I'm doing a haul video. What better way to start back the channel after I know a month. Trust me, exams killed me, but I'm back with a lot of exciting videos just for you guys. So let's get ready with the haul video. So I shopped some stuff from H&M and I also got some stuff from Cooks.com. Yes, I was shopping online on Cooks.com while my exams were going on. The first thing that I got were these pants and they're so beautiful. They're like palazzo pants with a flared bottom and they're so 1950s, so 1960s. I love them absolutely to die for. I love them. I absolutely love them. Okay, the next thing that I got were some shoes and I'm sure that you guys will love these shoes because they're so beautiful. Even though I was like thinking twice, should I get them or should I not get them, because when you know go out of your comfort zone and you want to buy some stuff that you haven't worn in your life or you don't have in your closet and you know you want to go like all out, you start thinking, should I get them or should I not get them. These were those kind of shoes for me because definitely I don't own any pair in my closet like these before, but now that I have them, I love them. So these were the shoes. They're so beautiful, really. I know they're really like 1950s, and when I shopped from Cooks.com, I was so inspired by 1950s that I got these shoes as well. Don't they remind you of like a movie or something? If you guys have seen P.S. I Love You and then the girl starts designing her own shoes, these shoes reminded me of her shoes and they're very beautiful, very classy, and I'm going to be designing them, not designing them, I'm going to be styling them in my moods of winter 2015, so keep an eye for that. Now coming on to all the things that I got from H&M. H&M right now has some really cool stuff. I went to H&M, I went to Zara, I went to Forever 21, I went to Aeropostale, and I went to I think Superdry, and all the 5 things I think I just shopped from H&M because H&M really actually, H&M is very my style and I love all the clothes that H&M has, and they have some really good clothes for winters. So the first thing that I've got is not actually a winter stuff, but I thought I could just wear sweaters with it, like chunky sweaters, and I could just definitely look so good in them. So this was this leather skirt that I got. It has a zip at the back and it is a very beautiful leather skirt that I might wear with like leggings and then a very chunky sweater. I think it's going to look so beautiful with it. The next thing that I got was a sweater. It's a great chunky sweater with like a turtleneck, a bit of a turtleneck, and it's so beautiful. It's oversized, and this with that leather skirt and some tights and some boots, I think it's going to look so perfect. You just need those chunky sweaters, those oversized sweaters during winters that you're gonna, maybe you can layer up and you want to feel cozy, and this is very soft and very good quality. So this is still available in H&M, so if you guys want to go, you guys can buy this sweater. The next thing, I was feeling so Christmassy when I got the next thing. I think you guys are gonna love it because I love it completely. I got a Christmas jumper. This is so beautiful. I actually owned only one Christmas jumper. I see all the vlogmases and everyone's wearing like Christmas jumpers. I was like, maybe I should buy a Christmas jumper because they're so in. They look really cute. They're so comfortable. They're so thick and so warm and so cozy, so I was like, I should get one, and this is the one that I got. It's a very beautiful color. It's bright and it's got like snowflakes on it and then gifts on it, and it's got a cat on it. It's so beautiful. I love it. I think with a beanie and just like tights and some really comfy boots, I think I can just wear, I'm gonna wear this all day long on Christmas and near Christmas as well. The next thing that I got was a beautiful jacket. Oh my god, like, do you not love structured jackets? Structured jackets are so beautiful. There are some things that you can wear like with everything. You just throw on a piece of dress or you throw on a piece of really nice top and then you just throw on a jacket over it and then you look so classy. You don't need to really work on your outfit that much. It's one of a kind, this jacket. I can just throw it on anything that I'm wearing underneath and I'm just gonna look very presentable, very classy. I absolutely love this jacket. Absolutely love this jacket. The next thing that I got was this red flannel, and since it's red, I mean red is a festive color, and this flannel, I think during this festive season, Christmas is coming up and New Year's is coming up, this red flannel is gonna look so good. I was actually I was trying this flannel on with the black jacket that I got before, and they looked so good together. I mean, I was just like dying because it is so beautiful. I can definitely wear this during summers because this is a flannel, and I can tie it around my waist and wear it in winter, so it's a double win for me. I love this flannel. It's very beautiful, very very festive color, and that's all that I got for this haul. So guys, that's it for my haul video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it an old thumbs up. Also leave a very nice comment in the comment section below because I love reading all of your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do hit the subscribe button. I would really love that. And also guys, do follow me on all the social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. The links are in the description box below as well. I do post a lot of behind the scenes on Snapchat, so make sure that you follow me on Snapchat. The username is right here, and I will see you very soon. Bye.